About a new cannabis product. Good evening, everyone, and thank you so much for joining us. The FDA and CDC are ringing the warning bell.
It's about Delta 8, but an owner and doctor say it's all about having trusted and vetted sources. Channel 8's Jael Pembroke has our top story and more details for you. It's new at 5. Jael?
Delta 8 THC is unregulated, but a legal cousin to marijuana. Officials are split on if it's safe to use. The CDC and FDA recently released warnings against the use of Delta 8 THC, with reports of people having adverse effects like vomiting and going to emergency rooms. Some of the reports were unintentional using of the substance, and some included children under the age of 18. Delta 8 is like a cousin to marijuana. It gives users a similar but more mild high. At Centerpoint, Topher Hansen says they are seeing the new drug in some of their cases and do not recommend it as a replacement for a drug addiction.
We're seeing a lot more people who are using it. And some people then are questioning, well, if I'm having a problem with marijuana, will Delta 8 be something I can use and have it be more safe? And we're not recommending that.
At CBD Remedies, they say if Delta 8 was regulated or banned, people would try other ways of getting the drug or turn to more dangerous options.
It would be absolutely devastating if there was a crackdown or a prohibition on this important minor cannabinoids.
The owner says Delta 8 is rising in the black market, and people should avoid any Delta 8 products like brownies, gummies, or jelly beans, and especially any others without proper packaging.
Packaging and labeling is a big deal. Also, the efficiency and efficacy of the products being made and sold is a big deal, to make sure that this gummy has the same amount as the next gummy and the next container and the next container of gummies.
He adds they vet their products with companies and their in-house chemist and doctor. That doctor says she was not surprised by the warning and is glad there is one. Dr. Holmes says it does not change her stance on the drug, as it is a legal way to help people who need the cannabis product. Hansen says until there is more information about the drug, he remains neutral, but wants people to be safe about what they intake.
And all we can say is you really need to be understanding of the risks by buying it in places that don't have any quality control on them and a substance that we don't know a lot about. And so we try and offer that advice.
Again, Hansen says Delta 8 should not be used as a replacement for marijuana addiction. And Dr. Holmes says consult a doctor if the drug is right for you.
Jael Pembroke, thank you very much for our top story tonight.